more than ever and progressive combined. Of course, it's going to really say that we accept what you say. Identity customers shouldn't be a surprise. So ask a neighbor about the phone. Then call a neighbor at 1-800-3-PHONE or go online.
I'll spread the word at school. I'll spread the word at school.
There's a fine line between courage and stupidity. Yeah, I find there's a little line.
If it comes.
They're on YouTube, be careful. They're recording, watch it.
Now I'm gonna put you on YouTube.
They're on YouTube, they're recording for YouTube.